photographer. Wow, that looks like a commercial.
Got it right behind the tree, so you'd be able to see the picture.
Thank you. I'm gonna go take a picture of these kids. It's been a wonderful day at the beach with the family here in Playa Crash Boat in Aguadilla, Puerto Rico. We got Jay pretty much almost completely covered. Looking good, dude. Looking real good. You're next. You're next. Hey girls, look at me, smile.
Hello.
Mia, look at me. All right, smile. Delilah, smile. Get your, I can't see it. Yeah, there you go. Look at me, Mia. Thank you. Lorelai, smile. Look at me. Big cheese. I can't see you though because your hair's in your face. Can you move your hair out of your face? There you go. Look at me. Lorelai, look at me though. You're not looking at the camera. You're just saying cheese. Yes. Big smile. My girl. Now get down so I can bury you in the sand. You want to be buried like this? Dude, you look so good.
You got a six-pack?
Bro, you got a six-pack? You look buff, bro. Buff.
Wait! Tell me whenever you're done with the picture. Done with the picture and stuff?
All right, guys, move out of the way so I can take a picture of her.
Wait,
No, not you, Lorelai.
Hey, you look beautiful.
It's okay. I got a picture. I got a picture already.
I want to get buried. I want to get buried.
All right, Lorelai, we got to bury her now. You ready?
You want to see the picture? What are you getting now? You look like a mermaid. It still looks like a hut.
Oh, well, now it's going on.
Heck yeah. What are you guys making?
Oh, this is out. I can step in it.
Dude, do you know that if you dig it deep enough, it gets water inside? It's true.
Okay, my turn to bury.
Sounds good.
Help me, bury me. Who wants to bury me? Me.
All right, get on the...
Get the whole rest. Me. Where am I gonna help?
Take a picture behind you. It's nice.
Come on and help.
Look at me, smile. Cool. Smells like weed. I love it.
You're at home.
Okay, so the beach is open and we got great grandma here. Yeah. We got great grandma here. I gotta take a picture of great grandma.
That's backwards, isn't it?
No, that's I do it like that to confuse people.
Oh, está feo, ¿no?
Okay, let's take a picture. Get in here, Marty.
You see me?
Oh yeah, it's on widescreen right now. And I could just,
Oh, I need lipstick.
there you go. I love it, and I'll just take whatever screen.
You love it. You didn't even see it, Brandon.
Well, I
Let
know.
me see.
Quick, we gotta finish off this mermaid.
Oh, she's staring
This isn't good.
Okay.
We gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
We gotta go fast. Hold on.
Bury me.
What? I know, baby. It is very beautiful. Right now, we're trying to bury Delilah before it completely sets, or she gets drowned. Oh my gosh.
Well, mermaids come up to here to the waist, right? So we just gotta work on the fin.
Yeah.
We just gotta work on the fin.
Picture with you.
Where's
Mia.
my fin? How about sand for my fin? That's the only thing I remember.
Laura, Mia plays Adopt Me all the time. All the.
I'm making a
Who
sand
is she?
snowman.
Oh yeah, she got a frost dragon yesterday.
A frost fury.
A frost fury. Oh, she's addicted to that game. You guys should play together.
I made a snowman. Do you want to smash my snowman? Yes, thank you. Now I'm gonna smush your hole. Come on.
Smile, Delilah.
How did you do?
Oh, it looks good. We missed her face, but honestly, if I'm being honest, I don't want to get it on your hair because you got such pretty hair.
Because a mermaid is just the fin, and then the top half is human.
Yes.
All that work. I'm a dinosaur, guys. Hey! I'm a dinosaur. Stop it! I'm making a mermaid. Stop it!
Relax, Lorelai, come on.
I'm a dinosaur.
Okay.
Dinosaur. I'm a
All right.
Delilah, it's not the show.
Okay, baby.
I believe.
This is the best we could do.
I got a shower. And I got a shower. This is my spot.
That's your spot to pee. He's like, this is where I go when I gotta go potty. Everybody get away from my hole.
Arrows. It's sand arrows. I was nowhere to go.
Yeah, it's taking a video right now, so all you gotta do is click this. Oh wait, click this, and it takes a picture every time. Right on, I'll just take a bunch.
Picture, Mama.
All right, come on, guys. Lorelai, get in the picture.
Okay. Right on.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Turn on you, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, bro. Merry Christmas.
I was thinking.
All right, Delilah, ready for you to break out of your mermaid.
Go, Delilah.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Get this off of me.
Now get in the water and get all that stuff off of you.
Mermaid!
You're a mermaid. Ah. There you go.
Rolling mermaid.
Mia, you're standing in the danger zone.
This is great.
Yeah. Delilah, you okay?
Flyable and rideable bullshit.
Ah, nice. Come on, you made it.
I want to go back in the water.
All right, go back one more time. Get all that sand off you. Thank you, Loli, and thank you, Titi Nai. Buen provecho. Gracias. Yep, the gondolas are fresh from the land.
Make a circle. Make a circle. I'm really cold. No, I might stop. I'm okay. Make a circle.
You're gonna keep tilting up, running on the concrete.
Yeah.
Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Close it.
Get in closer, Lorelai. Lorelai, get closer.
Go that side. Lorelai, go that side. Go up there. Jadiel goes here. I go here, and Lily goes over there next to What behind you? Nobody's going behind me.
There, perfect.
No, you don't. I might go there. I might go there. Close your eyes. Shut your mouth. Dream a dream. Hey, close your eyes. Shut your mouth. Dream a dream. Get it out. Dream. Done. Dream. Get the head is supposed to sleep. I know it sounds like. I don't know what it is.
That's awesome. It's yo. Okay, get Lorelai, get in the picture.
No, the big separate than you go here. No, you go here.
All right, guys, Lorelai, turn around.
No.
All right, big smile. Lorelai, this way. Look. Thank you. You guys look. What you call it? They're both outgoing and nice personalities. So like that's why I was like, you guys should come to the farm. Show up early. We'll go down to the cave or something. Let them just play all day. You know?
Done. I think it's her. It's her.
Oh, they're playing the imposter. They're imposters.
It's her. Everybody behind Jadiel.
Lorelai, big cheese.
Everybody behind him. Everybody behind him. He goes right into
I really didn't need to ask. He was going to do it anyway.
Okay, got all the everybody smiling. All right, masks down real quick. Coronavirus only works on the 5-second rule. All right, coronavirus. There you go. Fantastic. Got it.